Let's eat the world's hottest chip. Bismillah.
Okay, there's no way I'm gonna eat the Carolina Reaper chip again. I saw that Pringles, they came out with some spicy chips called Scorching. I'm assuming they think it's hot. Scorching barbecue. It smells like regular chips. You know, if it was really hot, then I think that whiff would have burned my nostrils. It looks like it got some spice on it though. Come on. There was maybe a second worth of spice and then it just went away. It tastes like any other barbecue chip. What kind of pepper are they using here? Is it like a bell pepper? What are you guys doing? Why is it not spicy? It says scorching. There's fire on the packet. Ah, there's a chili on the packet too. Cheddar. Okay, maybe if I eat a lot of it, then I'll start feeling the spice because now I'm starting to feel a bit of a tingle on the roof of my mouth, but it's not spicy. It's more of a tingle. Who's Pringles' target audience for this? Like if you're gonna come out with a spicy chip, you better bring the heat. Like this is not packing a punch whatsoever. Sour cream. Okay, so they all look the same. They have that red sprinkle on them, but it's not spicy. You know, I'm not crying, I'm not sweating, I don't need water, it's not gonna hurt in a couple of hours. Not impressed. If you're gonna say something scorching hot, I don't know, you should at least make me break a sweat. If not, get some snot coming out of my nose, I don't know. But on a scale of 1 to 10 in terms of how spicy these chips are, I'm giving this like a 2.1 out of 10.